Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I'm going to be giving you guys some more cleaning motivation. I'm going to be cleaning different areas of my house. I'm going to start off by cleaning my refrigerator because my husband is out getting groceries with the little ones, and so I am taking advantage of this time and I'm just going to try to clean as much as I possibly can before they get here, because I don't know if you guys have little ones or not, but my little ones tend to go behind me and I'll clean and they'll be making a mess. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So like I said before, I am going to start in my refrigerator. I am not really going to be doing any deep cleaning. I'm just going to be throwing away just whatever needs to be thrown away and just wiping down surfaces. So that is what I am doing here. Here I am just going to be scraping off this piece of cardboard. It's from the Go-Gurt box and I'm assuming that it got wet, so that's why it got stuck to the shelf. So I'm just scraping it off and wiping it down and putting it back. If I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, this refrigerator really does need a really good deep clean, but that is not what I'm doing. I am just getting it clean so that way I can put groceries in it whenever my husband gets here, and this is how it came out. So now I'm going to be moving on and I'm going to be cleaning my island. Look, you guys, this is how it looks. It's not done. That's why there's painter's tape all over it and everything, but this is how it looks so far. So I'm just going to be wiping this down. I'm going to be putting everything back where it belongs and just making this little area of my house look nice again. Now I'm just going to vacuum behind this couch. I am sweeping up all of the dust that accumulated. I am working on the wall back here, and so I was doing a little sanding, and so I'm just vacuuming the dust, and I'm just going to pick up this area and mop it a little bit. Now I am just gonna put the sectional back where it belongs, and I'm gonna start picking up this crazy living area of my baby's toys all over the place. The day before, I just really didn't care about getting onto them about picking up their toys because I was occupied with working on the wall, and so this happened. And so now I'm just gonna pick everything up and just put everything back where it belongs. If you're not new here, you might notice that the floor is done. Yay, finally. We finished the floor. We're not completely done. We need to do all the baseboards on the bottom, which we haven't done yet. We have, but we just have not had time to do it. And so we'll be working on that here shortly. And yeah, I love it. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it feels. I just love everything about it. To be wiping down this entertainment center, you guys. Eventually what we want to do is build like a built-in to put this what is this thing called, this electric fireplace, to put it into the built-in, but that's gonna come later on. So now I'm just wiping this down and just cleaning this off really well. So I normally wouldn't be sweeping, but Wally, my Roomba, is dead. I don't know how. This happens to me a lot. I think he's charging and he's not, and so I am stuck having to sweep, which is totally okay. I don't mind it. But yeah, that's what I am doing here. Recently redid this coffee table. I am going to leave a link in the description box of the product that I use, but I am going to show you guys a really short clip of how I did it, so that way you guys can see how easy it is. I love it. I love the way that it came out. I love the wood grain and how it looks. It looks really, really realistic. It doesn't look like it's contact paper at all. And so I am going to be showing you guys that here in the next few clips. So this is the way that this came out, and I love it. And like I said, there's gonna be a link to it in the description box down below in case you wanna take a look at it or in case you wanna purchase it. But this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.